So how we work in clinic is that we do have this conversation with people who are on the pill about the benefits of our natural hormones and what is happening in the body. And so if we have a client who is interested in coming off the pill or coming off of contraceptives, then we tend to work with them for, it's a sort of 3-month period for most to be able to regulate the hormones again, 3 to 6 months, I would say. And what we look at doing is we need to support the gut, because there has been a gut imbalance, particularly if they're taking the oral pill, because you are changing the gut environment by putting artificial hormones through the digestion. So we do support the gut by eliminating food intolerances, and we'll talk a little bit more about that later. We also look at some adaptogens. Vitex Chastity Tree is a great one for promoting progesterone and helping balance out hormones. And we look at, there's 3 different technical supplements that we use in our clinics: NAC, DIM, and calcium diglucarate, which are all there designed to support the liver. So the liver has about 300 jobs in the body: digestion and bile and fats and hormones. But why we take supplementation for the liver with regards to coming off the pill is if there has been artificial hormones in the system, it is the liver's job to detox them out. And so taking a liver detoxing supplement will help clear any residues out and help improve the liver function to be able to rid the body of artificial hormones. So if you've got a woman who's coming off the pill and they're having a bit of a wobbly time of it, looking at these 3 key areas.